Hello everybody. Today we are going to study friendship unit. We are going to revise 5 units. So the first unit is friendship. Let's start. Okay, let's go over the expression first. Go to the concert. Konsere gitmek. Go to book fair. Bir kitap fuarına gitmek. Go to the cinema. Sinemaya gitmek. Go to shopping mall. Alışveriş merkezine gitmek. Go cycling. Bisiklet sürmeye gitmek. Have a party. Parti yapmak. Go skating. Kaykay yapmaya gitmek. Have a picnic. Piknik yapmak. Go for a walk. Yürüyüşe çıkmak. Meet up with friends. Arkadaşlarla buluşmak. Play computer games. Bilgisayar oyunları oynamak. Watch a soccer match. Bir futbol maçı izlemek. Play sports. Spor yapmak. Eat out. Dışarıda yemek yemek. Okay. Let's look at the pictures quickly. Please have a look at the pictures. Okay. Now let's start. What is the first picture? The first picture is go for a walk. Okay. What about second? Second is have a party. Third, go cycling. Fourth, go skating. Fifth, play sports. Sixth, eat out. Yes, that's right. Have dinner, have lunch. It can be, yes, but eat out. Here it's given as eat out, that's right. Next one. Yes, meet up with friends. Next one is play computer games. And the other one, ninth, yes, watch a soccer match. Okay, what about 10th? Yes. Go to the shopping mall. Yes, go to the shopping mall. What about 11th? 11th, go to the concert. 12th, is have a picnic, but yes, have a picnic, that's right. 13th, go to book fair. And 14th, go to the cinema. Yes, that's right. Go to the cinema. Okay, here there are some spidergrams, but I wanted to show them all because it is difficult to find them all quickly. But you can study them at home. Yes. First of all, play. Play, for example, we play some sports. We play volleyball, we play basketball, we play tennis, okay? And we play some games at the same time. We play computer games, okay? We play video games. And these kinds of, we can play games or we can play some sports, okay? Next group is go. We can go shopping, go for a walk, go to a science fair, go to a concert, to an exhibition, to go to the cinema. In other words, we can go to an activity. If there is an activity, then we can go there. Yes. Go shopping, alışverişe gitmek. Go for a walk, yürüyüşe gitmek. Go to the science fair, bilim fuarına gitmek. Go to the concert, konsere gitmek. Go to an exhibition, sergiye gitmek. Go to the cinema, sinemaya gitmek. Okay, next group is watch. Yes, we can watch a football match or watch a comedy. So we can watch a sports activity, or we can watch a show, or we can watch news. In other words, we can watch something on the TV. Yes, okay. Next one, have. Yes, we can have a picnic, a barbecue, a party. We can have dinner. We can use have again with the activities. Okay. Please study them at home and try to memorize which word goes with which type of noun. Okay. Now, one of the grammatical patterns in this unit is would like. Yes, we use would like to make offers. Offer means teklif. Yes, we use this pattern. For example, would you like to pattern for offers. Here, to is given in the parentheses because after would you like, there can be a noun or a verb. If there's a verb, we use to. But if there is not a verb, then if there is a noun, then we only use like, and we don't use to here. Because like here, it does like here doesn't mean sevmek. It means istemek. What would you like to? Ne yapmak istersiniz? Or ne yapmak istersiniz? Would you like to? İster misiniz? For example, would you like to eat? Yemek ister misiniz? Would you like the taste? Tatmak ister misiniz? Or would you like some coffee? Would you like chicken? Would you like dessert? If there is a noun, there is no to. If there is a verb, then we use to. Okay, önerilerde bulunurken would you like to ifadesini kullanırız. Would you like ifadesinden sonra bir fiil kullanırsa like sözcüğünden sonra to yapısı eklenir. Yes, this is what I say or what I have said in English. Yes, let's look at the example. Would you like some coffee? Kahve ister misin? Would you like to come to the party? Here, as you see, there's a verb, so we use to. But here, there is not a verb, but there is a noun. There is a name here, so we use. Sorry, we don't use to. Okay. And this one, this expression is used to make offers. Tekliflerde bulunmak için bu yapıyı kullanıyoruz. Would you like to? Would you like to eat a piece of cake? Bir parça kek yemek ister misin? This is an offer. Okay. Making suggestions. Making suggestions means önerilerde bulunmak. And in this unit, there are 4 special forms of making such suggestions. So you have to memorize them because they are asked in the question very common. So they are very common expressions, in other words. So let's verb. This means that after let's, there comes a verb and we make a suggestion. For example, we say, let's have a party. Haydi bir parti yapalım. Let's go to the cinema. Haydi sinemaya gidelim. Let's eat something. Haydi bir şeyler yiyelim gibi. Why don't we? Why don't we? After why don't we, there comes a verb. And again, we make a suggestion. Why don't we have a party? Neden parti yapmıyoruz? Why don't we eat out? Neden dışarıda yemiyoruz? Gibi cümleler. How about? How about or what about? After how about and what about, there's a difference. You see, for example, when we use let's, we only use a verb and no addition here. we use a verb, no addition here. But when we use how about and what about, we use ing for the suggestion. How about going to the cinema? How about having a party? Give it. Shall we? Shall we? Shall we go to the cinema? Shall we eat out? Again, this time, this form of suggestion is very similar to the first two. For example, after let's, there comes a verb. After why don't we, there comes a verb. After shall we, there comes a verb. But only how about and what about gets a verb ing form. So we must be careful about it. And usually in the tests, you can see some questions, and in the questions, as a clue, you are given the verb ing part, and you are asked the how about part, or you are given how about and what about part, and you are asked the ing part. And it is very similar with the others as well. You are given either the verb form or the let's form, and you complete the rest. So you must know whether we use verb after let's, or whether we use verb ing after what about, or something like that. So be careful about that, and you have to memorize, put in your mind. Yes, you have to memorize these expressions. Use means here kullanım. We use let's, shall we, why don't we, how about, what about to make suggestions. As we said, we use them for suggestion. Öneriler için kullanırız. How about or what about going to the concert? Konsere gitmeye ne dersin? Let's go for a walk. Haydi yürüyüşe çıkalım. Why don't we go to the cinema? Neden sinemaya gitmiyoruz? Shall we meet at 2 o'clock? Saat 2'de buluşalım mı? Gibi sorular yapabiliriz. Yes. These are the very common expressions used in our daily life, and they are the let's say they are the expressions that we have to learn in friendship unit. For example, let's go over them quickly. What are you doing this weekend? Here, before making an invitation, bir davet yapmadan önce böyle bir soru sorulabilir. Karşınıza böyle bir ifade çıkabilir. And these expressions are used in dialogues, as you know, so you have to memorize them. And in the dialogues, in the text, you will be asked one of these expressions or sentences. Yes. What are you doing this weekend? Bu hafta sonu ne yapıyorsun? Are you busy this evening? Are you busy this evening? Bu akşam meşgul müsün? Do you have any plans on Sunday? Do you have any plans on Sunday? Pazarları, bu pazar günü planın var mı? Are you doing anything on Sunday morning? Are you doing anything on Sunday morning? Pazar sabahı bir şey yapıyor musun? Yes. Making an invitation. When we davette bulunduğumuz zaman ise şu ifadeyi kullanıyoruz. Would you like to come to my party on Sunday? Would you like to come to my party on Sunday? Pazar günü partime gelmek ister misin? Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Bize katılmak ister misin? Do you want to go to theater on Friday? Do you want to go to theater on Friday? Cuma günü tiyatroya gitmek ister misiniz? Yes. Asking invitations. Davette bulunmak. Yes, I'd love to. Yes, I'd love to. Evet, gelmek isterim. Çok gelmek isterim. The idea sounds good. This idea sounds good. Bu fikir kulağa hoş geliyor. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Bu kulağa hoş geliyor. Cool. I'd love to. Mükemmel. Gelmek isterim. Yapmak isterim. Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds great. Evet, mükemmel gözüküyor. Sure, it sounds awesome. Tabii ki, mükemmel gözüküyor. That would be great. Mükemmel olur. Yeah, why not? Evet, neden olmasın? Awesome, mükemmel. That's awesome. Bu mükemmel olur. I can't refuse this invitation. I can't refuse this invitation. Bu daveti reddedemem. I can't miss this chance. Bu şansı kaçıramam. And these two last sentences are very important and very tricky. Be careful about them because in the examinations, to make you or to cheat you or to make this question very difficult, they use two of these sentences because in the form of the sentence, it is negative, but the meaning is positive, okay? The structure, the pattern is negative, but the meaning is positive. For example, would you like to come to my party? I can't refuse this invitation. I would like to come. So in this dialogue, for example, we say, I can't refuse, reddedemem. The sentence is negative. Cümle olumsuz. Fakat reddedemem derken aslında gelmek istediğinizi söylemiş oluyorsunuz. Bu açıdan da bu hususa, buradaki anlama dikkat etmemiz gerekiyor. Okay. Thank you for the lesson. These are the main things and main grammatical points and initial vocabulary for you. Try to memorize the vocabulary, initial vocabulary, and try to memorize the expression given here. Your homework will be given in the next video.